Kofax AP Agility is an accounts payable automation solution based on the powerful and scalable Total Agility platform. AP Agility is browser-based and can serve your needs on-premise or in the cloud. The powerful scan interface can recognize your scanner automatically. Kofax can also capture invoices from your suppliers, whether they send them via email, fax, XML, EDI, via the Kofax invoice portal, RPA bots, or from their line of business applications via web services. It also supports a multi-organizational structure, a variety of invoice types, and 31 languages, their associated currencies, and special processing requirements such as VAT and GST. After scan or import, invoices that require human attention are displayed in the validation step. The interface presents the user with exceptions. There's no need to review fields that are confidently extracted or that pass business rules. But notice the complex extraction that has occurred. AP Agility uses a variety of artificial intelligence features such as classifiers and natural language processing to extract and interpret supplier information together with invoice header, footer, and even line item information. It uses the ERP system as a source of truth for line item matching against purchase orders, as well as for supplier matching and search, and even the ability to provide supplemental information that's not on the invoice. When a field does require human touch, the user can select data that's on the invoice, and in the meantime, AP Agility is learning for future automation using our online learning capabilities. Three-way matching compares the invoice, purchase order, and receipt line items. If they do not match, it moves the invoice to line pairing correction. Notice that one of the invoice line items was automatically matched to two items in the receipt. This automatic pairing is flexible, taking into account varying quantities and units of measure. We can very easily match the other line items by simply selecting them and making the adjustments as necessary to match with the invoice. AP Agility comes standard with GL coding and approval capabilities that are configurable for both non-PO and PO invoices if required. GL coding can be manual or automated. The system retains the vendor ID, the line item description, material number, and the GL code, and automatically applies these as you see here for freight. Otherwise, we can very quickly and easily apply a GL code, selecting it either from a list or choosing our own code, and we can even make that code a favorite. If coding cannot be completed, the user can reject, request a comment, reassign the invoice, or place it on hold. Notice here we've completed our coding and we can submit this. The approval interface is nearly identical to the coding interface to make it easy for the user to do one or both in a single view. Approval workflows are configurable based on the amount, the supplier, or other criteria. A complete audit trail is maintained throughout the entire process for compliance purposes. Once we review the invoice, if we believe that it is acceptable, we can simply submit this approval. Invoices ready for payment are sent to the ERP system for processing. The solution is ERP agnostic with configurable connections to SAP, Oracle EBS, PeopleSoft, Lawson, and Dynamics AX. Line items can be included or excluded as necessary. And finally, AP Agility provides dashboard analytics for invoices coming due, exceptions, processing time, and workload. These dashboards give you the awareness and insight you need to understand and optimize your business. You can even drill down into these dashboards to see a very granular view of the invoices and their status in the process. We just saw how AP Agility automates the scan to post for payment process. This will enable faster time to entry, reduce errors, eliminate late payments, streamline your approval processes, and enable you to report on key metrics. It empowers productivity and reduces costs. For more information, please go to kofax.com. Thank you.